You know that sound, right? The one that feels like it's rattling the whole house and, yeah, definitely keeping your partner wide awake. We all just kind of accept snoring as a thing. But what if I told you it's more than just an annoying noise? What if it's actually a warning light on your body's dashboard? And here's the kicker. What if the person who can really help you figure it out isn't who you think? Not a sleep doctor, but your dentist. I know, it sounds wild. Let's get into it.
Yeah, it's a really direct question, isn't it? And it's one we absolutely need to think about. Because, for so many of us, that nightly rumble is a sign of something much, much bigger going on. It's a problem that, believe it or not, starts right there in your mouth. But it doesn't stop there. It actually impacts your entire body. Okay, so let's get down to what's actually happening when you snore. That sound, it's not just some random vibration, it's turbulence. And the best way to picture it is to think about a garden hose, right? Imagine you step on it and pinch it. The water has to fight to get through, and it gets all chaotic. Well, that is exactly what's going on in your throat. Air is struggling to squeeze through this narrowed down airway, and that struggle, that's the sound of snoring. It's basically a big traffic jam right in your airway. And this is where we have to get really serious, because there's a huge difference we need to talk about. On one hand, you've got just snoring. Yeah, it's annoying, no doubt, but the airway is still somewhat open. But then there's obstructive sleep apnea, and this is a whole different ballgame. We're not talking about a narrow airway anymore. We're talking about the airway completely collapsing, shutting down. And this can happen hundreds of times a night, cutting off your oxygen. This is the moment a nuisance turns into a major, major health risk. And just look at how serious this gets. Every single time your airway collapses, your body goes into full-on panic mode. It thinks it's dying, so it floods your system with stress hormones, your blood pressure skyrockets, and your heart is put under this incredible strain. Now imagine that happening over and over, night after night. Over time, this constant battle is directly tied to some of the scariest health problems out there. We're talking high blood pressure, heart disease, stroke, diabetes. Even how well your brain works can start to decline. That fight for air while you sleep is literally damaging your body all day long. So, okay, the natural question here is, who can actually fix this, right? I mean, if this is you, where do you even start? For years, the answer was, well, complicated. It usually meant going to a sleep lab, getting hooked up to a bunch of wires, and dealing with these bulky machines. But thankfully, that's all starting to change.
And the answer is probably the last person you'd expect. Believe it or not, an airway-focused dentist. Now, why a dentist? Well, think about it. They're on the absolute front lines. They're looking inside your mouth every single day, and they're trained to see the signs that others miss. The exact shape of your jaw, where your tongue is sitting, the structure of the roof of your mouth. All the little anatomical clues that point to the real root cause of why your airway is getting blocked. And here in Mansfield, Texas, one of the real pioneers in this field is Dr. Jiyoung Jung. Her whole perspective on this is just powerful. For her, this connection between your mouth and your total body health isn't some tiny little specialty. She sees it as one of the most exciting new frontiers in whole body wellness. It's a total game changer in how we think about what dentistry can even do. And listen, this isn't some fringe idea we're talking about. Dr. Young's work is getting major attention. I mean, she's been named one of D Magazine's best dentists not once, not twice, but for 5 years running. She's given a viral TEDx talk about it, and you've probably seen her approach featured on NBC, ABC, Fox, all the big networks. This is a real, science-backed approach that's seriously taking off.
All right, so let's pull back the curtain and see how a dentist can actually see your breath, or at least see the problems with it. It all comes down to some incredible technology that goes way beyond your typical dental checkup.
So it all starts with an expert eye. And when Dr. Jung looks in your mouth, she's not just looking for cavities. She's like a detective. She's looking at the size of your tongue, checking for these little scalloped edges on the side, which is a dead giveaway that your tongue is too big for the space it's in. She's looking at the shape of the roof of your mouth, and most importantly, the relationship between your jaws, because that's what determines where everything lands when you fall asleep. But just looking is only step one. The real game changer, the thing that changes everything, is this piece of tech called 3D CBCT imaging. And let me tell you, this is not your parents' flat 2D dental x-ray. Not even close. What makes this technology so incredible is that it gives us a perfect three-dimensional map of your entire airway. It's like we can fly right through it. We can measure the exact volume,
We can see precisely where it's getting squeezed or blocked. We can look at it in cross sections to see the shape. It just takes all the guesswork out of it. It's seriously like going from an old paper map to a live 3D satellite view on your phone. Okay, so once we can see the problem with that much clarity, we can talk about the solution. And this is the best part. Especially for anyone who has ever tried or, struggled with a CPAP machine. There's an amazing alternative that's comfortable, it works, and it's so much less invasive. It's called Oral Appliance Therapy. And please, don't picture some clunky boil and bite mouthguard you get at the store. No way. This is a high-tech, custom-made device designed with precision just for your mouth. And what it does is actually really simple and kind of brilliant. It just gently moves your lower jaw a tiny bit forward when you sleep. And that one simple movement is all it takes to keep your tongue from falling back and blocking your airway. It opens everything right up. And when you look at the difference in lifestyle, it is just night and day. Over here, you've got the CPAP world, masks, tubes, a noisy machine you have to plug in, all the cleaning. And then over here, you have the oral appliance. It fits in the palm of your hand. It's comfortable. You can take it anywhere. It's quiet, and you don't need to plug it in. I mean, for so many people, that's the difference between a treatment you just kind of put up with and a solution that gives you your freedom back. But for Dr. Jung, this goes so much deeper than just giving you a device. Fixing your airway is really just one piece of a much bigger puzzle, a whole philosophy about what it means to be truly healthy. She calls this philosophy the 3 pillars of well-being, and it's just so profound. The first pillar is structural balance. Think of your body like a house. If the foundation, your jaw and airway alignment, is cracked, the whole house is going to have problems. Simple as that. The second pillar is chemical balance. This is about what's going on inside, clearing out toxins and giving your body the right fuel to heal. And the third pillar, this one's huge, is emotional balance. It's all about that mind-body connection. You can't separate them. So when we fix your breathing and your sleep, we're not just fixing one thing. We're actually helping to restore all 3 pillars at once. It's about treating you, the whole person, not just chasing a symptom. Okay, so you might be thinking, this sounds amazing, but what does it actually involve? Well, if you're here in the Mansfield, Texas area and you want to look into this, the great news is the path is super clear and it's all about you. It's basically a 5-step journey. First, you start with that really deep dive airway evaluation we talked about. Then we use the advanced 3D imaging to get that perfect map of what's going on. After that, we coordinate with sleep testing to make it official. Step 4 is the fun part, getting fitted for your own custom appliance. And this is so important. It doesn't just stop there. There's ongoing care to make sure everything is working perfectly for you for years to come. And the results? Wow. They go so far beyond just a quiet bedroom. We're talking about a ripple effect through your entire life. Imagine waking up and actually feeling refreshed, having energy that lasts all day. Imagine your mood being better, your focus being sharper. You're actively lowering your risk for all those scary health issues. And yeah, it even helps your relationships, because when you're well-rested and healthy, you're just a better version of you. It all circles back to this powerful idea that Dr. Jung shared in her famous TEDx talk. The teeth are a gateway to your well-being. Your mouth, your jaw, your teeth, they are not some separate island. They are the front door to your entire body's health. It's so true. How you breathe all night long directly dictates how you're going to live your life all day long. So that really just leaves one big question, doesn't it? After seeing all this, after understanding the deep connection between that nightly noise, your airway, and your total health, are you ready to do something about it? Are you ready to breathe better, sleep better, and truly live better? If that's a yes, then here's everything you need to take that first step. You can schedule your complete airway evaluation right here at Central Park Dental and Orthodontics with Dr. Jiyoung Jung in Mansfield. Seriously, it's the first step to finally getting better sleep, better breathing, and just a healthier, happier life.